Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell cash secured puts in your registered account on Questrade. Mainly I'm going to use my tax-free savings account. If you're watching this in 2026, I believe this is a new feature that I just discovered, or a viewer just commented on it. Previously, you were not allowed to sell cash secured puts in a registered account like the RSP or tax-free savings account. When you're in Questrade, right when you log in, if you go under management, go to options level, we need to make sure that you even have the rights or you selected the options level to do this. In your registered account, it will be options level 2. So we'll click on this, it's gonna go white, which is kind of annoying. I wish it had dark mode. So this is my margin account and it allows all 4 levels, which allows naked trading, which is selling a naked put and naked call. But if you go into tax-free savings account, you'll notice there's a level 1 or level 2 or just removing options altogether. With level 2, you can do a cash secured put, and that's the level you need to select. You might need to sign something saying that you know the risks. Once you do this and it's approved, it might take a day. If we go back, we'll go into the edge trading, wherever it is. Okay, now that you're in the trading platform, make sure you selected your TFSA. And if you want to search a stock, let's just go to options. But I just want to point out, in a registered account, you need the cash exactly that'll be locked away to actually sell a cash secured put. So I only have $8,000 in CAD, so I can only sell something pretty cheap. I looked into something that can be used for this, just for the illustrative purposes. I've selected Air Canada, so I'll need like $1,900, I believe. That could work. Air Canada is $19 times 100, so $1,900 in cash. That'll be tied up. I'm going to select something. Let's just illustrative purposes. I'm going to make $62 to have $1,900 tied up. What is that? 3.2%. If this expires, worthless. So make sure you have your aircanada.to selected here as an option. I'm selling a put, 1 contract. I'm choosing market just to get it filled for now. I'm going to sell. So now I'm being charged $1, which is not bad. Change in buying power around, so it's $1,900 minus the credit that I'm making here. I'm gonna sell, and this is my tax-free savings account, and because I chose market, it got filled right away. So if we see what that looks like, don't have any positions here, interesting. Cool, so I wonder if my cash got reduced. So my buying power did get reduced, my market value is a little down. My cash didn't get used or moved away, but I'm sure if I tried to use it, I wouldn't be able to. So if I try to do that again, so let's choose another one. Let's say something more expensive like Tesla. I don't have the cash for this and it will get rejected. Let's just do this. Get this filled. It'll say you don't have enough buying power for this order. So I can't, it'll get rejected if I try to send. Order rejected, which is great. We don't want to make any big mistakes. If we go back to Air Canada, if I choose 5 contracts, now I'm wondering if this will get filled. Because I have the buying power, but I don't have the cash. Do you see here? So overall I have the buying power, but right now I don't have the cash. Let's just go market. It still won't let me because I don't have the cash. Very nice. So if I go to 3, I should have the $6,000. If I sell that, it'll use just below my buying power. So again, this is making sure you have the cash on hand and it will be locked away. The cash will still show here, but you should focus on the buying power. I'm not going to buy this one out, but I'm going to show you how to close it if you want. You can click on the exact option you have to click buy or sell. And now it loaded it up. Notice I have the February 20th put. I'm going to choose the market. Now this time, just make sure you click buy and it'll say buy to close. Now I have a small loss. Buy to close, it should get filled right away. I think I just lost like $10 by doing this. So now that it's gone, this is how you buy and sell cash secured puts in your tax-free savings account. You can now start running the wheel, which I'm doing on a few options. I have an interactive brokers video that I've been selling just for using paper trading account. I don't know if you want to use real money. If this is your first time trading options, you might want to do paper trading. Interactive Brokers allows that, which I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And I think that's it. Let me know if you guys want more options video. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.